Hi all, welcome back to our channel. After a long break, I think it's a well-deserved video of where we are with our build. It's almost finished and it's only a few days left till our first long trip. So we just wanted, before we go, just wanted to share with you what's done and what still needs doing. I hope you enjoy it. Give us a like and subscribe. We see you later. Say hi, Arnold.
So you live in the dream. You should see it through someone else's side. Another cipher to break, while the grass grows underneath my feet. Been running out of time for so long. Hello, 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 Leah. Now I'm running out of so long. Hello, 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 Leah. Hope I got the time to tell you. Hello, 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 Leah. Hello, Leah.
Hi everyone, can you believe what I've done? For about 10 minutes to 15 minutes I keep talking and telling you what the update is, and I didn't record. I was even showing you stuff and the camera was not on. Well, it was on but it wasn't recording. Today is a Sunday, 27th of June. The weather is really bad, it's not like summer, but anyway. We have about 2 months left to finish the build and start packing stuff up, because mid-September we're gonna be leaving for our first big trip in Europe, but details to follow, where we're going, what we're doing. 2 months is nothing, given that we started to build this van, let's say February. We still haven't got a solar panel. And in the meantime, let me show you where we're up to with the build. So we have a kitchen worktop and all the buttons. It's already attached. That's where the sink is gonna be going, of course. This bit, if you're wondering what it is, Andrei is just working on a little divider wall, which is going in here, and we're gonna have a little wardrobe, so all this space is gonna be like a wardrobe, so I can hang some couple of stuff. Then in here it's gonna be, under the sink they're gonna be the fresh water bottle and a waste bottle, or grey water bottle. And in here we're planning to have a bin, maybe a little shelf in here to put some, like a, I don't know, cleaning supplies and stuff like that. And then it's going to be 2 doors in here. This is the space for the fridge, so fridge is going to be up to here, and we're planning to have a 2 little drawers or 1 big drawer, we're not sure yet. And then the other one is going to be like a maybe pantry with a 1 door. So stay tuned, we'll give you an update where we'll have one. In the meantime, take care. Thanks for watching.
No wonder you got a pure heart, kind of honesty that will always stay. Don't ever let him bring you down.
This is our next step. We have a bottom frame of the overhead cabinet. Now at the moment we are touching this bit to the front button. It doesn't go well. We're not really sure what we're doing.
It's going perfect.
Just a little update. We are living in month and a half, do we?
No.
we are no matter what, even if the van's not gonna be finished. Oh, we have a cabinet finishing here. We just have to attach the little, how you call them? Knobs, like this. Not like this, it's gonna be different. There's gonna be like a creamy white, distressed looking ones. Then our foot pump's gonna be attached in here. So when I do the dishes in the sink, it's gonna be wink, 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 wink. The tap is arriving this week. The bottle is here. This door is done, but we have to attach it, change the screws because we use wrong screws and they basically mess our buttons up. So I have to repaint it. This is building itself, as you can see.
Yeah.
Then we have a solar panel we're ordering this week, so they're gonna come maybe the week after. Then we can finish the ceiling and build this cabinet. Door is painted, but I have to do the finishing touches. The other chair is almost done, cut to size. Frame is done.
Yes, everything looks so good on the paper, when in reality it's a mess. But don't you worry, everything is gonna be alright.
Ooh, ooh.
That's it for now.
Bye.
Back to
Reality.
yeah.
Bye.
What a terrible thing to say. Trembling across my fingers out of sight. Hello, 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 Leah. I was lost inside a maze of night. Hello, 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 Leah. I stayed up and watched you till daylight. Hello, 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 Leah. Hello, 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 Leah. Hello, hello.
you enjoyed the video and the progress in the van. Next week, this time next week, we're gonna be on the road
Europe.
to Europe. Yeah,
Europe trip.
Europe trip.
And I want to say, keep watching and watching and watching.
Yes, keep watching. We promise to put more videos.
Yeah, we promised last time. I don't know who's watching till the end. So if you watch till the end, say something.
Say so.
You are the one. All right.
Where's Arnold?
I don't know. See it?
I don't know. Look his nose.
So that's it.
Oh.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Where are you going?
We're going home.
Are you happy?
That's it. Happy because we're going now.
Are you happy, Arnie?
I don't think he's happy either.
And this is home.
Everybody, welcome home. We going? We going?